Hi, today I'm going to be telling you about some Honeygain alternatives. So instead of passively getting money, maybe you want to do something that's more engaging, right? So something like surveys and things like that. So if you want an alternative to Honeygain, I do have an app called EarnWeb, right? So it basically earn money on microtasks. So either you do surveys or you play a game, you click on ads, things like that. And from here you can get money, right? So you can transfer it to your PayPal, you can get crypto, you can transfer it to iTunes, Amazon, Give Me Crypto, Steam Wallet, even Roblox. So this is a very good alternative to Honeycane, right? If you want something more engaging, but you still want that easy kind of money that you can get online. You can see here that there's a couple of guidelines to how to earn coins. So you can see you can complete tasks either by doing online games, brand offers, cashback, surveys, and also earn web specials. So special tasks gives less currency, but only take a few seconds to finish. So you get to a couple of it in a few seconds, but you can do a lot, and then you can get very easy money from doing it, right? So it is possible to earn money some really quick. Here's some reviews, and this is some statistics. It has 700,000 registered users and over $450,000 paid out to users. So if you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.